I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need compatible hardware and a shared network first. On your Roku, go to Settings and enable Apple AirPlay and HomeKit so the receiver is listening. Once done, make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac uses the same Wi-Fi network as the Roku. Mismatched networks block discovery. Now open Control Center on iOS or the menu bar on Mac OS to locate screen mirroring or AirPlay. Start there. Select your Roku device. This initiates the pairing handshake required for streaming. After selecting the Roku, you may see a numeric code displayed on the TV. Enter that on your iPhone or Mac to authenticate and create a trusted link. Once paired, choose Mirror Screen to duplicate your device display, or tap the AirPlay icon inside apps like Photos or Netflix to cast only the video. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so notifications don't interrupt. If you need better performance, reduce video quality in the Source app or move devices closer to the router to lower latency and buffering. When you're finished, stop AirPlay from Control Center or the AirPlay menu to free bandwidth and return the TV to normal. If streaming fails, restart the Roku, your iPhone or Mac, and the router to clear temporary network conflicts. This often fixes discovery issues. Also check for guest networks, client isolation, or active VPNs that prevent device discovery and disable them. If a code won't appear, update Roku software and re-enable AirPlay. That resolves most remaining compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.